pimpin', baby. That's right. Big pimpin', spinning cheese. G. You know I thug 'em, fuck 'em, love 'em, leave 'em, cause I don't fucking need 'em. Take 'em out the hood, keep 'em looking good, but I don't fucking feed 'em. First time they fuss, I'm breezing. Talking about what's the reasons. I'm a pimpin' every sense of the word, bitch. Better trust and believe 'em. In the cut where I keep 'em, till I need a nut, till I need to be the Gus, then it's beep beep, then I'm picking 'em up, let 'em play with the dick in the truck. Many chicks wanna put chicken fists in cup, divorce 'em and split his bucks. Just because you got good head, I'ma break bread so you can be living it up. Shit, I pass with nothing, y'all be frontin'. Me give my heart to a woman, not for nothing, never happen. I'll be forever mackin', hard-coded assassins. I got no passion, I got no patience, and I hate waiting. Hope get your ass in and let's ride. Check 'em out now. Let's ride. Check 'em out now. Doing big pimpin', we spendin' cheese. Check 'em out now. Big pimpin' on BLAD. We doing big pimpin' up in NYC. It's just that Jigga Man, MC and BUMB. Yo. Big pimpin', spendin' cheese. We doing big pimpin' on BLAD. We doing big pimpin' up in NYC. It's just that Jigga Man, MC and BUMB.
Nigga, it's the big southern rap impresario, coming straight about the black barrio. Makes a meal of all for sorry hoe. Now sit back and beat my scenario. Oops, my bad, that's my scenario. No, I can't fuck a scary hoe. Now every time, every place, everywhere we go, hoes stop pointing and say there he go. Now these motherfuckers know we carry more heat than a little bit. We don't pull it out over little shit. And if you catch a lick when I spit, then it won't be a little hit. Go read a book, you illiterate son of a bitch, and step up your vocab. Don't be surprised if your hoes tab out with me and you see it's coming down on your slab. Living ghetto fabulous, so mad you just can't take it. But nigga, if you hate, now then you wait while I get your bitch butt naked. Just break it. You gotta pray like you way wet with 2 pairs of clothes on. Now get your ass to the back as a blast to the track. Timberland, let me spit my pros on. Post it up in the pro zone. That's the track that we breaking these hoes on. Ain't the track that we flows on. Look when shit get hot, then the glide start popping like ozone. We keep hoes crunk like Trigger Man, but really don't get no bigger, man. Don't trip, let's flip, getting throwed on the flip, getting blow with the motherfucking Jigga Man. Big pimpin', spinning cheese. We be big pimpin' on BLADs. We be big pimpin' down in PAT. It's just that Jigga Man, Pimp C and BUNB. Cause we be big pimpin', spinning cheese. And we be big pimpin' on BLADs. Cause we be big pimpin' in PAT. It's just that Jigga Man, Pimp C and BUNB.
Smoking out, pouring up, keeping lean up in my cup. All my car got leather and wood. In my hood we call it buck. Everybody wanna ball, holla at bras at the mall. You be up, watchin' ball, nigga. I can't fuck with y'all. If I wasn't rapping, baby, I would still be riding Mercedes, coming down and sipping daily. No record tell why they pay me. Now what y'all know about them Texas boys coming down and candy toys, smoking weed and talking noise.
Spin the cheese, we be big pimpin' on BLADs. We be big pimpin' down at PAT. It's just that Jigga Man, Pimp C and BUNB. Cause we be big pimpin', spin the cheese. And we be big pimpin' on BLADs. Cause we be big pimpin' and PAT. It's just that Jigga Man, Pimp C and BUNB.
On the canopy, my stamina be enough for Pamela Anderson Lee. MTV, jam of the week. Made my money too long for gambling with me, but I'm still sitting on blades, spitting that babe. Sitting on the corner of my block hustling, getting off, that's double what I paid. Getting it right through customs. It'll sell by the night, it's extra white. Look, I got so many, could the man find out it'll land me in jail for life. But I'm still big pimpin', spin the cheese with Bun B, Pimp C and Timothy. We got chicks in the back of the truck, laughing it up. Jigga Man, that's what's up.
We be big pimpin', spinning the cheese. We be